there guys, it's me Shadow here, and yeah, I know you can see my scooter in the background, but anyways, I know it's been a couple weeks ever since my last booster pack opening, but here it is. My second and third ever booster packs from this set. Yeah, you all know that I've only gotten one actual booster pack from the set and one sampling pack from it. Oh, whoops. And, yeah. One of my parents got me these, and I should at least get a holo according to the ratios, 1 in every 4 packs. And hopefully I either get a secret rare or an EX. I really hope that today I have the chance to say that I got my first ever EX. Open up this one first. I'm not opening anything outside. I'm not even gonna go outside. Maybe swim, but that's it, because it's just too hot outside to do anything other than swim. Yeah. Wow. Really cool pack art. Hold on. I'm gonna move this forward a bit just so I have some room to actually sit down. Oh, whoops. Yeah, okay, so. Oh, wow, that opened a whole lot easier than I thought. But seems like these packs just rip super easily, which sucks. Because especially with what? How does that happen? Crap. Well, that sucks a lot. But hey, I have another Darkrai pack. So, yeah. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. Yeah. Put those there. So we have an Eevee, Scraggy, Shelmet, Timber. Yay, another Joltik. Ooh, Combuskin. Cool. That's kinda cool. Enhanced Hammer. Yes, Vaporeon! Yes! Even if I don't get a holo, which I should, it'll be good to get like Eeveelutions and Dark Claws and rare candies. Yeah, all that crap. My reverse holo is a Piplup. Yay, am I rare? Crap. Cofagrigus. Well, still cool. Pretty cool Pokemon. Yeah. Next one. And again, even if I don't get anything amazing, like even if I don't get a holo, I'm still gonna be happy because I got these for free. I didn't have to buy them. My parents did, one of them. And hey, any card from Dark Explorers that I don't have is awesome. And an Eeveelution card. That's awesome too. Could sell that for a couple bucks. Hopefully I don't ruin this pack because it's the last one I have with a Darkrai pack art. Seems like it'll open pretty easily without destroying itself. I guess I spoke a bit too soon. Hopefully not. Yay, the pack didn't get destroyed. Very sorry about the pause. I guess my memory was filled up all the way. So I deleted some videos I didn't need. I already did the card trick. I already went through the commons and uncommons. I just couldn't help myself. I don't know what the reverse hollow and rare are yet, though. Slowpoke, Bulbasaur, Vanillite, Torchic, Sandile, Professor Juniper, a Flareon, awesome, 2 evolutions, and a Crustle. Wow. I should get a hollow, though, I'm sure. My reverse hollow is a Sharon. Kind of lame. Am I rare? Well, a Selgor is a cool Pokemon. And, again, I didn't get any hollows, but still, I didn't have to pay for these. I got them for free. And I'm pretty happy with my pulls, actually, especially the Flareon and Vaporeon. I could sell those for like a few bucks. I'll have to look up how much they are worth on eBay. I'll do that later though. Okay, so little recap vid of everything I got. First pack, which I just destroyed. How does that happen? That never happens to me. Eevee, which is, again, any Eevees or evolutions are worth a bit of money. Scraggy, Shelmet, Timber, another Joltik, Piplup as my reverse hollow, Cofagrigus as my rare, which is actually a very cool card. Very awesome. Hold on, I'm just reading the move Chuck. Okay, so Chuck, 40 damage times. Discard as many Pokemon tool cards as you like from your hand. This attack does 40 damage times the number of cards you discarded. And look up 40 damage. The defending Pokemon can't retreat during your opponent's next turn. Combuskin, Enhanced Hammer, and the awesome Vaporeon. Very cool. Slowpoke, Bulbasaur, Vanillite, Torchic, Sandile, Sharon as my reverse hollow, and a Selgor, which is a very cool Pokemon, as my rare. Professor Juniper, the awesome Flareon. And, I might not sell the evolutions just now. Whenever I get duplicates of them, then yeah, I'll probably sell them. But not now. And a Crustle. So, thank you. Yeah, I cannot talk today. Thanks a lot for watching. Be sure to subscribe and be sure to look at this again, because that is hilarious. Poor pack. How does this happen? Okay, how? I don't know. These packs just tear so easily compared to packs from older sets. Yeah, I've never opened up packs that tear so easily. Again, thank you for watching. Be sure to subscribe. It's VShadow here, and goodbye, YouTubers. Oh, wait, by the way, whenever I get enough code cards, I'll have, can't talk today. Whenever I get enough of, very sorry about that pause. Anyways, whenever I get enough code cards, I'll have a code card raffle. So, yeah. just be ready for that. Okay, so anyways, it's V-Shadow here. Subscribe to me. And again, it's V-Shadow here. And goodbye, YouTubers. Goodbye. And boop.